Good morning and welcome to the Crypto A Day morning for today's date, Saturday, the 2nd of February 2019. All bets, trades, and of the like, that is within each his own risk and their own reward. Not much and even less to go over on today's video, starting off within Bitcoin, as we're now in the fourth day of resisting this area of previous support, resisting the 18 average, and not breaking down at the same point either. Just a bunch of nothing or just yada yada, same old pause stuff going on. At any time, these moves, whether it be a decent red, decent green, or series of such, they can happen at any time and can be decently sized. And well, because this area of support has been highly established over the last few days, even more so, that on a break of such, you would expect at least a fast move to its previous low, and that would be just an extreme favorite on that situation. As far as some levels of resistance, just looking at this daily, the 18 average of highs in at around 35 and a third coincides with this congestion area in here, and then just so many different points that it can get above that it needs to, just really to get to the upper end of this sideways range. And that is viewed here on the weekly chart, right in there. So not in the middle of it, I guess in the lower end towards such, but breaking again below this range, decent size leg either way. You'd have to think breaking down below support, that well on the lower, closer to 2,000 than 3,000, I would guess. Although don't count out 2,500-ish area, be right in that area, or even 26. But I think at least around 26 and change would be a conservative level for where support would be. And then breaking it above this resistance, I'm looking for previous support and congestion area from 2018. And I'm going to finish this off within one altcoin, AID, AID. I just like its nice little setup that it's had, notwithstanding, and great these moves that can take place for the buy low, sell high strategy. But I like after this last one that it had, that the price action supported nicely, or pretty much right at these highs in here. And several days of just staying in that area, filling that U-shaped formation, so higher high again, and a lot of being reestablished over the last couple of days. This looks to me like a pattern that should be able to, or should be very highly probable to break out really at any given time. The level of resistance established on two different hits is in at that of around 1020. Here we are standing at 1,000, so 2% away from such now, having a lot of strength amongst the 4-hour time frame within the 18 average of highs. And you see how small the liquidity trading is over the hour time frame. But I do like how from the breakout here last night at 1800 hours or 6 p.m. Eastern time, how it managed to come back to the band, and then on the 6-hour time frame this morning, it has managed to break above it. So getting above the 1020 or so handle, we got a little bit of previous resistance areas of right here around 1200, this little high in here, but that's just to me a small one. 1200 does coincide with this little area, but when you see days like this, these are the types of days I'm looking for. But overall, a market that goes up in an uptrend is the base most important thing, and right now I like its perspective as it moves forward. Thank you for tuning in.